Namaskar. Welcome all to day 3 of our week 2. So how are you all doing? I'm sure you all are doing really well in the exercises. So it's the second week and day 3, so the exercise needs to be little at a higher level. So today's exercise is about abdominal crunches. Okay, so today we are going to do how we can easily perform our abdominal crunch. So far we have done variations of contracting our abdominal muscles and lower pelvic floor muscles in this straight position. Then we went into quadruped or 4-point position, and now it's a time we're going to do almost in a sitting position, and then we are going to perform our crunch. So this will be our exercise for today. Before moving on, it's time for an energizer song. So here's your energizer.
Let's all jump and sing along. Do, do, re, re, mi, mi, fa, fa, so, so, la, la, ti, ti, do, 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 re, mi, fa, do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do, so, la, ti, do, do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do, do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do.
Before we move forward, we always have to remember 3 basic principles in our exercise. The first is the finding neutral spine, the second would be abdominal bracing, and third would be our breathing pattern. So all these things have to work in coordination to bring about a control move. So if we talk about this particular exercise, when you are in this position, you will lift your body up. And while you do that, just make sure you are breathing out and contracting your abdominal muscles. Okay, so that is about abdominal bracing in this particular exercise. So before we move forward, it's time to see our exercise preview. So here's your exercise preview. So as we saw in our preview, this exercise can be performed in assistance with any other person in our home, or we can do it ourselves by tucking our feet under our bed or the sofa, so that the foot portion, when you are in this position, the foot portion is completely stabilized, and that will help you to provide the momentum or the stabilization to lift your body up. So now is the time for mental imagery. So I want you to close your eyes and imagine yourself, you are lying straight with your knees bent and your feet portion is tucked under your sofa or your bed or your table, or somebody is holding on to your knee portion, whichever feels comfortable. You are holding a very light weight in your hand. To start with, you can take a ball, and if you feel you have ample of strength, you can increase the weight to be maybe a packet of 2 kg dal, or you can have a medicine ball, or you can have a weight disc. So while you are breathing out and contracting your abdominal muscles, trying to lift your both the shoulder blades off the floor. Okay, so you lift your body up first towards right hand side, and then you lift your body up towards your left hand side. Try to lift at least your body above your shoulder blades. Alright, so have you all understood this exercise? It looks difficult, but trust me, it's not, because your foot is anchored to a point. So that is going to give you a required stability from your lower limb. So all you have to do is just lift your upper body up. Okay, so let's start with our first set. When we perform this exercise, we have to remember that our feet are nicely anchored, they are quite stable, and we lift our body at least off our shoulder blades. So if you feel your body from the behind, you will see there are two shoulder blades in our body parallel to our spine. Okay, so make sure when you lift your body up, at least your shoulder blades are off the bed. In this exercise, we have to perform only 2 sets of 10 repetitions only. Okay, so let's start with our first set. Sit comfortably from any anchor point like your table, your sofa or your bed, whichever you feel comfortable and approachable. Lie down and adjust your position so that you are near to the bed. Find the neutral spine and then contracting your abdominal muscles, lift your body upwards towards your left hand side, then towards your right hand side. Make sure every time when you get up, your shoulder blades are off the mat and you are contracting your abdominal muscles along with breathing out. Keep doing this exercise with a good coordination in your breath and muscle contraction. Bravo! That was simply fantastic attempt. Okay, so are we ready for our second attempt? Just make sure the more strongly your feet are anchored, more easily it will be to lift your body. And our target is to lift our body at least till our shoulder blades. We have our shoulder blades on the back. Just lift that up off the bed. So that will be our target. So let's start our set 2. Take your starting position by anchoring both your feet to any strong surface like your table, your sofa set, or you can take help of any other person in your house, and then lie down at a comfortable position. Adjust your distance from your stability point. Then hold a ball or a 2 kg any weight, maybe a dal or a rice, and by breathing out, contract your abdominal muscles and lift your body up. Go towards right side first and then towards left side up. Making sure when you are lifting your body up, you are contracting your abdominal muscles and at the same time you are breathing out. Continue till you complete 10 repetitions of this exercise, keeping a good pace with your breathing pattern and your muscular contractions. Fantastic. You all have done wonderfully, and trust me when I say this was not an easy exercise at all, and you all have conquered it. So on this note, just stay strong, keep exercising and never say it's impossible. It's always I am possible. Alright? Take good care of yourself. Namaskar.